Making profit in cryptocurrency is as easy as ABCD, because you can realize that each and every time that I'm teaching, I'm talking about cryptocurrency, I talk about it each and every day, because it is simple mathematics. I buy A at $100 and A is being sold now at $120. What do? I get my profit 20%. That is all. Now people may say, how do I even get that profit? Fair enough. The moment you want to buy a cryptocurrency, maybe Ethereum, TRS, Doge, or whatever it is, it has a price tag at that very moment that you want to buy, because the price are not stable. You understand? So when you check the price at that very moment, you can even go further to check the market system of the price and how it is faring, so that you will know your decisions about how to make profit, or when to buy and when not to buy. Realize that maybe this BTC is dipping. The best thing for you to do is that you analyze, okay, last week it was about 20,000, it is now going down to 18,000, whatever it is. Then maybe it will give you a signal that, all right, you can buy it. You understand? So when you buy it at maybe $100 and you wait, or you set your target that on the trade that limit price that sell it around $120, the moment you get your $120, you are good to go, because you have the strong grounds that the possibility that it will reach the specified amount that you are talking about. Exactly. So that is the whole concept about this BTC cryptocurrency world. Now, fair enough, if you want to calculate or get your profit, you can probably to maybe buy at maybe a specific price that is very low, and you can also set alerts. Simple. In the Binance features, I talk about alert. So you go there and you set alert that, okay, when it is around maybe $120, alert me, and the moment it alerts you, you can go straight up and trade, and that is it, and you calculate your profit. Getting BTC or getting profit in cryptocurrency is simple as ABC. As a market trader, you buy the goods at low. When the prices are high, you sell it, depending on the market system. And that is all. What I personally do is that, maybe for instance, BTC is around 18,000 at this very moment, and maybe it shoots to 19,000. What do? I convert to USDT, then I gain my profit. When it is going down again, I convert it back, or probably I will trade. For instance, if I buy BTC around $100 and it is around maybe $120, what I personally do is that, if I don't read the minimum amount of money that maybe probably they will tell you that I trade with $11 or $10, I'm not having that minimum BTC in my wallet. What I do is that I set alert, and when the profit reach that amount, I will convert it back to USDT, and I maintain my profit and wait for the market to recover and get in and get out. That is what I do. Or sometimes when I think that I have maybe $100 and I think that I can trade, set alert, then I probably set alert when the prices are low. I just buy it. When the prices are high, I just sell it. That is simple as ABC. So it is not something that it is a burden or whatever. It is not something that it is a rocket. You need to be a rocket scientist to get to know how it is. So that is it. Just follow the trend, study the price mechanism. When the prices are low, that is the time for you to buy, because you buy it at a dip. The moment you buy at a dip, the chances for you to make profit is high. You understand? Then you take it from there, and don't stay in the market for too long. Out, in, out, in, take a little profit, and you are out. That is how it is. And thank you very much for your time. My name is Kwesiclick, and please try to subscribe to my channel. We try to share educative content, financial content for you to make money. At least if I ever help you in any way, just try to subscribe to thank me and motivate me to do more content for you, back and forth for you. Until we meet again, I love you guys and see you in my next video. Peace out.